Hello everyone, welcome to SFMC World. So in our previous video we have seen how to create a Triggersend data extension. So as I told you earlier, we will be creating a Triggersend definition and then we will use that data extension here. So in order to do that, let's start with creating a Triggersend definition. So you have to first go to your email studio and then you can see a interaction tab over here, and then you have to select Triggersend email. When you select that, this UI will appear to you. You have to click on the create button. Once you will click on the create button, this UI will appear. You have to fill the name and you have to select the send classification. You have to select the email that you want to trigger to a particular person, a particular user. So you have to select the email, and then as I told you earlier, you can see like there is no normal data extension available here, so you can only choose the Triggersend data extension, and you have to select the list, to which list you will send an email, so this subscriber will get added to the list. So I have selected all subscriber and rest all would be the same. Then you have to click on the save button. Once you will save, I already have created a test Triggersend, so once you will save that, you have to click on the checkbox of a particular Triggersend. Then you can pause it, and or if you want you can start or restart this in order to verify that's where our Triggersend is working or not. So what I have did in this video is like I have created a good example to show you how Triggersend works. So in order to do that, what I have done is like I have added two more field to our previous Triggersend data extension, which is like OTP and send it. So what would be the current scenario is like a particular user will enter his email, and then after submitting the form he will receive a OTP over his email, and then he has to verify his OTP after inserting it into a input box, and then he will receive a error message like whether it's correct or incorrect. So in order to do that, what I have done is like I have created a cloud page, and I will send you the code in the description. So what I have done is like I have added ampscript code, and here I have took the Triggersend external key, which you can see here. So I have took the Triggersend external key here, and we have created a Triggersend definition, Triggersend object by using ampscript. So let's start with filling the form. So once you click on the form, let's take an example. So once you will submit the data, what it will gonna do is like it will send this data to your email, to your data extension. So let's see how it is working currently. Previously we have only 0 record, but you can see we have 1 record now, which we have recently filled. So we will copy the OTP. It is 7670, and if we try to put the wrong OTP here, so it will show you the message like incorrect OTP. So we have to give the correct OTP. Once we will enter the correct OTP, it will give us the message like correct OTP. So you can implement this in your business logic, like so many things we can do here. You can see like most of the Amazon, Flipkarts deliver the OTP process. So whenever you receive your purchase, whatever you have purchased, so whenever you receive that, you have to enter the OTP. You have to go through the verification process. So we can actually implement this thing over there, and you guys can also implement this thing in your business logics. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get an interesting and more valuable content of Marketing Cloud. Thank you very much guys. See you in our next video. Bye bye.